Unlock your hair's potential, boosting hair growth naturally. Are you tired of your hair's slow growth? You're not alone. Many face this challenge, but there's hope. Today, we'll explore natural tips and tricks that can help you accelerate your hair growth. Get ready to start your hair growth journey. The first method is a balanced diet. Consuming protein-rich foods like eggs, nuts, and fish can make a significant difference to your hair health. The second method is regular scalp massages. This can stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles and encourage faster hair growth. Thirdly, stay hydrated. Water helps to transport vitamins and minerals to your hair roots, a critical step in promoting hair growth. To conclude, a balanced diet, regular scalp massages, and staying hydrated can significantly boost your hair's growth potential. Start changing your routine now and say hello to fuller, healthier hair.